Here's something that's a bit strange. This HP is clearly marked as this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. Now watch what happens. I want to sign up for Windows Insider program. Get started. It again says your PC does not meet the minimum hardware requirements recommended for Windows 11. Join the Windows Insider program to get preview builds of Windows 10 and provide feedback to help make Windows better. That's what I want to do. Insider preview builds for Windows 10. Hit to get started. Need to pick an account, and I'll be back in a second after I do that. I picked the account. Now what comes up is Developers Channel. Ideal for high technical users. Be the first to access the latest Windows 11 builds earlier in the development cycle. I'm not looking for Windows 11. This machine doesn't qualify for Windows 11. Besides, I don't want the developers. I want the beta channel. But again, it says Windows 11. The machine can't run it. I'm looking for Windows 10 beta channel insider program. Since it can't run that, I'm sure it's not going to be Windows 11. So I'll confirm it, but this should not ever say Windows 11 since the machine or the computer isn't capable of running Windows 11. I'll confirm this. You'll have to agree to this. And next will be a restart. And I'll be back as soon as the system has restarted. The system has restarted. I'm back at the update settings. Let's go back to Windows Insider program. As you can see, it's now set up. Windows Insider, beta channel, early adapters. It still says Windows 11. We're now going to go back to the update and we're going to check to see whether there is an update. Remember, the PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. So I should be getting stuff for Windows 10, not 11. I didn't sign up for Windows 11, but Windows 10 Insider Beta Preview. That's not right. Windows 11 Inside Preview. I'm not looking for Windows 11. This machine can't run Windows 11. So let's get back out of this and let's find out why Microsoft doesn't know the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Back to Insider. Leave the Insider. Have to log in to do that. Time for another reboot. Unfortunately, restart didn't help anything. Only thing it did was start the update process to the Windows 11 Insider Preview Edition. After I restart it, I'll show you what I came back to. And as you can see, this is Windows 11. Not Windows 10 updated, but Windows 11. And if I check the version of Windows, Microsoft Windows 11, and there's your version. Isn't that nice? Now we'll see how long I can continue to run Windows 11. The last time there was an update that killed the computer and I had to do a clean install of Windows 10. If I do a little more digging under Windows Update, it's now as up to date as it's going to get for right now. Doing a little more digging under System and then scrolling down to About, you'll notice that this thing no longer has a warning on here that it's not ready for Windows 11. Gives me the description of everything that's there. And it does say Edition Windows 11 Pro with no kind of warning that this is not a system that can't run Windows 11. I guess I'll find out eventually. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.